Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send video messages on WhatsApp. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp, and then you simply need to open any conversation. And here you need to tap on this microphone icon and it will change to record a video. You simply need to click on that, and after the countdown you can see that video is now recording. And if you want to change a camera, you can see an icon here. You can change from this icon, and let me release this, and here you can see that now video is sending. So this is the process by which you can record a video message on WhatsApp. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.